So this is the continuation. We completed the illustration 1 and 2, and 3 we'll do later. Now we're going to start with the 4. So let's read the question. The income tax officer, on assessing the income of Sri Moti for the financial year of 2015 and 16 and 2016 and 17, feels that Sri Moti has not disclosed the full income. He gives you the following particulars of the assets and liabilities of Sri Moti as on 1st April 2015 and 1st April 2017. So that means they gave an assets and liabilities of 2015 to 16 and 2016 to 17. Right, so this will be the opening, this will be the closing. So our income tax officer feels that an assessee, who is Sri Moti, is not disclosing the full income, right? So income tax officer feels that she is suppressing some income. She is hiding some income, right? So to find out whether our income tax officer is right or not, so we need to find out what is the real income, what is the real profit made by the Sri Moti, right? So how do we find out the profit? Like we discussed in the previous videos, by using the method of capital comparison. Okay, we'll do that. So what do we need for the capital comparison? First we need opening capital. We need closing capital. Our format, closing capital. Right? And we need to add drawings to that. We need to deduct additional capital. And then deduct finally opening capital. Then you will get the profit. In the question they didn't give the closing capital and they didn't give the opening capital, but they gave the opening assets and liabilities, and then they gave the closing assets and liabilities. We know the capital formula is assets and minus liabilities. So if you deduct opening assets minus opening liabilities, you will get the opening capital, and closing assets and closing liabilities will get the closing capital. So we know these things. So we can figure this out by using this information. Right now, during the 2 years, the domestic expenditure was 4,000 per month. So that means nothing but it's a drawings. 4,000 per month. So total 2 years. That means 24 months are there total. So it will be 24 4 96,000 per the drawings for 2 years. The declared income for the financial year, she declared 1,05,000 for 2015 and 16. And 1,23,000 for 2016 and 17. So she declared this much of income. So we need to find out whether she declared correct or not, whether she is really hiding any income or not. Right? Okay, let's find out the profit first. How much profit she made. So we need to find out the opening capital and closing capital first. For that, to use our format, first we need is closing capital and opening capital, right? So we can find out the closing capital and opening capital by using the statement of affairs. Alright. So we have, all we need to do is, whatever the information given in the question, we need to put in the statement of affairs format. So first we will start with the opening assets. Opening assets will come here. Cash in hand 25,500 here, and then inventory 56,000, sundry debtors 41,500, landed building 1,90,000, wife's jewelry 75,000. Right? That's it. There is no assets owing to Moti's brother. That means we took a loan from Moti's brother. So that is our liability. So that this which is opening liability, right? This is opening liability. So that's why we will write here. And then sundry creditors 35,000. Now we did all the assets of the 1516, and we did all the liabilities of 1516. Now let's figure it out the capital. So first we need to find out the bigger side. Okay, take a calculator. Alright, so first add all the assets. 25,500 plus 56,000. Sorry, let me bring this here. 25,500 plus 56,000 plus 41,500 plus 1,90,000 plus 75,000. We got total this side is 3,88,000. So since this is the bigger figure, so write 3,88,000. So write same figure here also, right? And then from that deduct the liabilities part. Minus 40,000 minus 35,000. We'll get the opening capital. So opening capital, how much we got? 3,13,000. 3,13,000. Yeah, right. Now we need to find out the closing capital. Okay, so first we'll start with the assets here. Cash in hand 16,000, inventory 91,500, sundry debtors 52,500, landed building 1,92,000, motor car. See, it is not there in the previous year. We bought this year specifically. Motor car 1,25,000, wife's jewelry 1,25,000 again, and then loan to Moti's brother. Now we gave a loan to Moti's brother. It was not there in the previous year. So 20,000 we gave loan to Moti's brothers. Now that is an asset for us, right? Okay, so we up to here all the assets. Up to here all the assets we have written here. Now liability part. Liability part is 55,000, which we have written here. Okay, let's figure it out the asset side of 16 and 17. Let's take the calculator. Sorry. So 16,000 plus 91,500 plus 52,500 plus 1,90,000 plus 1,25,000 plus 20,000 plus 1,25,000. So you will get the 6,20,000 this side. So put that figure both sides. 6,20,000. So put that figure the both sides. 6,20,000, and deduct the liabilities part, which is 55,000 minus 55,000. All right. So we got the closing capital is 5,65,000. Right. 5,65,000. We got the closing capital. Let me write with the black. So that's the closing capital. So now we have the opening capital and we have the closing capital. So we can use our format now, right? Okay, let's start with our format. So first we'll start with the closing capital. Closing capital is equal to 5,65,000. So write that, and then we need to add the drawings. So how much drawings they said? They said 4,000 per month, right? So 4,000 per month, like that, 24 months. So that means 96,000. So add that here, 96,000 minus an additional capital. But in this question there is no additional capital, so we don't need to do that then. So now minus opening capital. Finally, opening capital is 3,13,000. 3,13,000. Now if you do that, you will get the profit. So let's find out that. So yeah, 5,65,000 plus 96,000, you will get the 6,61 minus 3,13,000. So you will get the total profit is 3,48,000. 3,48,000. This profit is for the 2 years, right? So 3,48,000 is the total income by Srimoti. But how much she disclosed? She disclosed here. She disclosed 1,05,000 for 1 year and 1,23,000 for 1 year. So 1,05,000 for 2015 and 16 she disclosed, and 1,23,000 for 2016 and 17 she disclosed. So how much total she disclosed? 1,05,000. Wait, yeah, 1,05,000 plus 1,23,000. So total she disclosed 2,28,000, right? But whereas she got the income of 3,48,000. So if you deduct that, and then you can find out how much she didn't disclose. That means how much she suppressed. So 3,48,000 minus 2,28,000. That is nothing but 1,20,000. So see, she is suppressing the income of 1,20,000. So whatever our income tax officer contention is correct. So that's what they mentioned. State whether the income tax officer contention is correct or not. Yeah, our income tax officer contention is correct because he is hiding the income of 1,20,000. Alright. So see you in the next class. Bye.